Hello guys, we will be discussing the very famous question digit problem in the algebra section. Now this has a lot to do with the linear equation questions. We have already studied this in class 10 syllabus CBSE board, how to solve digit problems. Now let's see. Our number system is actually a decimal system. That has a base equal to 10. When the base is equal to 10, that means the available digits are 10. So there are 10 digits which are known to humankind. If you're talking about the number system that a human follow. Imagine the case of computer world, digital world. There are only two types of digit, 0 and 1, and hence it is called binary digits. When binary digits is curtailed, it becomes bits. A few bits become byte, a few byte become kilobyte, and then hence megabyte, gigabyte, and every word in computer world. So our base system is 10, we follow the digital system. What do we mean when we say decimal system? In Hindi we call it Dashmallam Paddhati. Try to understand that. If you write 2 and 3 side by side and ask a student from class 1 or class 2 that what is this, he will answer you this is 23. But if you write x and y side by side and ask a class 8, 9, 10 student what is this, he will say product of x and y. Now this is where we all need to understand why do we face problem while solving digit questions. So when you write 23, you understand that this is 20 plus 3. 20 कहाँ से आया? This is 2 into 10 plus 3. Okay, so each digit has its positional value. For example, if you write 123.45, okay, so this is nothing but this 1 will be multiplied by 10 to the power 2, and this 2 will be multiplied by 10 to the power 1. This 3 will be multiplied by 10 to the power 0. The 4 will be multiplied by 10 to the power minus 1. 5 will be multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2. Okay. So is this the first time you have seen such explanation of the number system? So 123.45 is actually 100 plus 20 plus 3 plus 4 by 10 plus 5 by 100. The value matches with the value of 123.45. So in the digit wala question, what do we expect from you is that when they start a question by writing a 2-digit number, when they start a question by writing a 2-digit number, a 2-digit number, you have to assume the digits separately. So there will be A, that means A, and there will be B, that means B. Okay, now the number is going to be, this A will be multiplied by 10, so it will be A into 10, that is 10A. And if they tell you this B into 1, so this is your number. So whenever they say what is a 2-digit number, assume it to be a 10A plus B. Once a student has asked me, sir, how to understand when to assume a number as X and when to assume a number as 10A plus B. I specifically answered that if they are forcing, if they are emphasizing a lot on the digits, you understand that it is a digit problem. So in that case, you have to assume 10A plus B in a 2-digit number. If they call you assume a 3-digit number in certain situations, you will assume the 100 digit to be A. So it is not A into B into C, but it is the digits placed in its positional value. So A is the 100th digit, B is the 10th digit, C is the 1st digit or unit digit, correct? So what happens? This A will be multiplied by 100 and this will be your 100A. B will be multiplied by 10, 10B, and this will be multiplied by 1, so this is your number. You cannot say that I do not understand what is happening. You have to accept this and practice a few questions based on the digit problem. Let us see a few more important things. So whenever they talk about a 2-digit unit digit, units digit is equal to B, tens digit is equal to A, and the number, any 2-digit number, that should be 10A plus B. You must have seen a few Bollywood movies and you know the song Ratta Maar. Okay, so 2-digit number is nothing but 10A plus B. When the digits are reversed, for example, there is a number 23. So this has got a position of 10 and this has got a position of unit digit. Now if the digit is reversed, so 3 will be multiplied by 10 and 2 will be multiplied by 1. So you should also understand what is the reversed number. Very common across all the pattern of exam. So this will become 10B plus A. So whenever you start a 2-digit number question, you should first understand what is a unit digit in the question, that is B, what is the tens digit, which is A, what is the 2-digit number, and that is 10A plus B, and if I reverse the digits of the 2-digit number, we get a new number which is 10B plus A. Now, sometimes what happens, they ask you what is the sum of a 2-digit number. And a number. ध्यान से सुनना. What is the sum of a 2-digit number and a number formed by reversing its digits? The language is very important in CAT, XAT, NMAT, IPM, GMAT, GRE questions. Sum of a 2-digit number and a number formed by reversing its digits. Now, what happens? You understand that it is 10A plus B and plus 10B plus A. So 10A plus A, that becomes 11A plus 11B. When you take 11 common, it becomes A plus B. Now, this should be written as 11 into A plus B. What is A plus B? 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 System hang कर गया है. A plus B is sum of digits. 11 into sum of digits. I can explain this with a very small example. Let us understand this. Take a 2-digit number of your choice. I always take a 2-digit number to be 23 and there is a reason behind it. So take a 2-digit number of your choice and then reverse the digits to form a new 2-digit number. Now add them up. what do you see? You get a number which is always a multiple of 11. You get a number which is always a multiple of 11. Now, that 55, when you take the 11 out of it, it is 11 into 5. Now, what is 5? 5 is 2 plus 3. This is what I was talking about. So, when you take 23 as a two-digit number, okay, what is the sum of digits here? What is the sum of digits? Sum of digits is definitely 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5, correct? And 11 into 5 is how much? 11 into 5 is how much? That is 55. What does this signify? ध्यान से सुने. What does this signify? ध्यान से सुने. 55 is the sum of a two-digit number and the number formed by reversing its digits. 55 is the sum of a two-digit number and the number formed by reversing its digits. A similar phenomena is also found when you take a two-digit number and the number formed by reversing its digits. If you take the difference of the two, when I say difference, the answer should not be negative. Why? Because the larger will subtract smaller from it. Okay, or you can take a modulus function outside. So this is the number, the original number, this is the reversed number. Have you seen that 23 and 32 example? So when I say the difference, it will be 32 minus 23 and not the other way around. Okay, so when you see this difference, this will be 10a plus b minus 10b minus a. Okay, now that 10a minus a is 9a, b minus 10b is 9b with a negative sign. So when you take 9 common, it becomes a minus b. 9 will be here always into difference of digits. Do not worry, I will take care of that difference wala thing. Do not worry, we will take care of that difference wala thing. So 9 into difference of digits. Okay, so if you have a confusion, sir, my answer will come in negative, do not worry. They use a very beautiful language when dealing with CAT questions. So let us take one or two questions to understand the concept of digit problem, and then we'll dive deeply into it. Let us start by solving a very easy question from the same topic. The unit digit of a certain two-digit number is 3 more than the tens digit. Okay, so this is your tens digit and this is your unit digit. The unit digit is 3 more than the tens digit. Okay, keep it for the future. Now, this is not the number, this is your tens digit and this is your unit digit. The number is actually 10a plus b and the reverse number is 10b plus a. Now, here is a challenge for you. Here is a takeaway for you. Can you tell me which is higher in value, the original number or the reverse number? Take some time and try to answer this question. Okay. Now, when the unit digit is large, for example, 15. Okay, 15. The unit digit is more than the tens digit. So when you reverse, this number will be more than the original number. Now take an example, 75. Unit digit is more than the tens digit. Now when you reverse, this number will be more than 57, right? So when your unit digit, that is b, is more than a, as given in the question, b is 3 more than the a. That means after reversing, the reverse number will be more than the original number. Now their difference, that means reverse number minus the original number. What is that? That will be 10b plus a minus 10a minus b. So it will be 9b minus 9a, which is equal to 9 into b minus a. Now what is the value of b minus a? You can see b is equal to 3 plus a. So b minus a is equal to 3. When you put it here, you get 9 into 3, which is equal to 27. Right? The unit digit of a certain two-digit number is 3 more than the tens digit. Find the difference between the number and the number obtained by reversing the number. Okay? We can solve this question without using any algebraic expression. Take a number like 14, or a number like 25, or a number like 36, or a number like 69. In all such example, the unit digit of the number is 3 more than the tens digit. And let's see what happens. So 14 when reversed becomes 41. 25 when reversed becomes 52. 36 when reversed becomes 63. 69 when reversed becomes 96. As you can see from your eyes that 41 is more than 14. 52 is more than 25. 63 is more than 36. 96 is more than 69. Now what will happen? Take the difference. Take the difference. Take the difference. Take the difference. If you take the difference in all the above cases, what do you get? What do you get? If you're not getting 27, call me up. Okay? Right at the midnight. And I will answer you. What mistake have you done? 41 minus 14, 52 minus 25, all of them will result in the same answer. Why the answer is 27, my dear friends? Why the answer is 27? Because 27 is 9 into 3. That means 9 into difference of digits. So answer will always be this. Your difference of digits is given. Your difference of digit is given as 3 in the question. If you read the first line properly,